Welcome you all to Think Maths. This is Class 10 Maths, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about examples 4, 5 and 6. So, first example, example 4. Check graphically whether the pair of equations x plus 3y equal to 6, 2x minus 3y equal to 12 is consistent. If so, solve them graphically. So we have to find solutions for each equation, plot on a graph and check the graph. So if it is intersecting, then we can say that the pair of equations are consistent. Okay. So first we will solve the equations. So the first equation is x plus 3y equal to 6. So I am going to substitute x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, so substituting 0 here, it will be 0 plus 3y equal to 6. So 0 value makes nothing. So 3y will be equal to 6. So this implies y will be equal to, this 3 will become division on other side. So 6 by 3 which is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 2. Next I am going to substitute x is equal to 6. So instead of x, we write 6. So 6 plus 3y equal to 6. So this implies 3y will be equal to this 6. When comes to RHS, it will be minus 6. So which is equal to 0. So y will be equal to 0 divided by 3, which is equal to 0. So when x equal to 6, y is equal to 0. So next equation, first I am taking x is equal to 0. So instead of x, if we substitute 0, 2 into 0 is 0. So 0 minus 3y equal to 12. So minus 3y equal to 12. So this implies y will be equal to 12 divided by minus 3. So minus 3 is in product. When it comes to other side, it will change to division. So minus 12 by 3 is 4. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4. So next I am taking x is equal to 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 minus 3y equal to 12. So minus 3y will be equal to 12. This plus 6 will become minus 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So let me write here. Minus 3y will be equal to 6. So y will be equal to 6 divided by minus 3, which is equal to minus 6 by 3 is 2. So answer is minus 2. So we got the solutions. Now we have to plot. So plot the points A of 0, 2, B of 6, 0, P of 0, minus 4 and Q of 3, minus 2 on graph. So then join the points to form lines AB and PQ, and then we have to check how the lines are. Okay, so let me draw the graph in the next page. So I took the table here. Now we have to plot the points. So for the first equation, x plus 3y equal to 6. So the points are 0, 2. So 0 is here in y-axis, the 2 is here. So this is the 0, 2. Next is 6, 0. So in x-axis, 6 is here and y0 is this line. So it is 6, 0. So we got this point. So let me draw lines. So this is A and this is B. The equation is x plus 3y equal to 6. So next is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. For that we got 0, minus 4. So 0 is here. Negative value for y will come down. So this is 0, minus 4. Next is 3, minus 2. For x 3 and y is equal to minus 2 is here. So this is 3, minus 2. So let me mark the point. This is P and this is Q. So joining this, okay, so this equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So here both the lines intersect at a point 6, 0. Okay, then we have a common point then we can say that equations are consistent. Okay, so then the solution is 6 comma 0. So we get intersecting lines and so consistent. Then we get a point B of 6 comma 0 is common to both the lines AB and PQ. Therefore we can say that solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. So I hope you can understand. So I will go to the next problem. So the next problem is graphically find whether the following pair of equations has no solution, unique solution or infinitely many solutions. So we have to draw the graph and we have to check what type of lines we get. Then we have to check whether this has solution or unique solution or infinitely many solution. First, they gave a equation 5x minus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0. So second equation is in fraction. So to avoid fraction, I am going to multiply the equation by 5. So here second equation is multiplied by 5. So if you multiply by 5, you will get 3 into 5 is 15. So 15x minus, when you multiply by 5 in this term, this 5 gets cancelled. So minus 24y plus 3 equal to 0. So these are all multiples of 3. So you can divide this equation by 3. So it will become 5x minus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the third equation. So if you compare the first equation and third equation, both the equations are same. So if both the equations are same, the solution will be same and infinite. Okay, so let us check this graphically. Both 1 and 2 are same. So equation 1 and 2 are coincident. So we will get coincident lines. If we get coincident lines, we will have infinitely many solutions. So let me check graphically whether these things are. So I took the tables here. Both the equations are same. So let us take different values of x and plot and check whether we have coincident lines. So for the first one, I am going to take x is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 3, so substituting x is equal to 3 here, we get 5 into 3, 15 minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. So then 8y minus 8y will be equal to, so both the things will go to other side. It will be minus 1 and minus 15. So minus 8y will be equal to minus 16. So both the negatives gets cancelled. Then y will be equal to 16 divided by 8. So which is equal to 2 8s are 16. So the answer is 2. So next I am going to take the value 11. So when x is equal to 11. So 5 into 11 is 55 minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. So minus 8y, this 55 plus 1 is 56. When it goes to other side, it will be minus 56. Both the negatives gets cancelled. So y will be equal to 56 divided by 8. So 56 goes 7 times in 8. So 7 8s are 56. So the answer is 7. So again I am going to take different values of x. For this I am going to take the negative value minus 5. Okay. So when x is equal to minus 5 into 5 is minus 25 minus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 8y minus 25 plus 1 is minus 24. When it goes to other side, it becomes plus 24. Then y will be equal to 24 divided by minus 8, which is equal to minus 3 8s are 24. So answer is minus 3. So next I am going to take the value minus 30. So when x is equal to minus 13, 5 into minus 30. So 5 into minus 13 is minus 65. So minus 65 minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. So minus 8y minus 65 plus 1 is minus 64, which is equal to 0. So minus 8y, this minus 64, when it goes to other side, it will become plus 64. So y will be equal to 64. This product minus 8 will become division on other side. So the answer is minus 8. 8 8s are 64. The answer is minus 8. So for the same equation, we got two sets of solution. So let me take the first set of solution 3, 2. So here I have plotted the points in distance 2. So each block has two points. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, the scale value is 1 centimeter equal to 2. Okay, so first one is 3, 2. So 3, 2 comes in between. So 3 and 2. So 2 is here. So this is 3, 2. 3, 2. Next is 11, 7. So 11 comes in between. So this is 12. 11 comes between here. 11, 7. So 7 comes between 6 and 8. So this is 11, 7. So next value is minus 5, minus 3. Before that, we will join this line. So next value is minus 5, minus 3. So minus 5 will come this side. Minus 4, minus 6. In between is minus 5. And minus 3 will come in between minus 2 and minus 4. So the value will be here. So this is minus 5 and minus 3. So next is minus 13, minus 8. So this will come between minus 12 and 14, minus 13, minus 8. So minus 8 is here. So this is minus 13, minus 8. So if we join these lines together, we get lines that are coincident. Okay, so the lines will meet at every point. So we will be having infinite number of solutions. Okay, so as both are same equations, we will get coincident lines. The lines are coincident, then we will get infinite number of solutions. Okay, so the answer is infinite. So let me go to the last example, example 6. So here Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friends asked her how many of each she bought, she answered, the number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. Also, the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Champa bought. So, instead of saying directly, Champa says that number of skirts is equal to 2 less than twice the number of pants. Also, she says some other trick, that is number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. So here I am going to take, let the number of pants be x and number of skirts as y. So what she is saying? She is saying number of skirts is, so number of skirts is y. So y is equal to, first sentence is the number of skirts is 2 less than. So 2 less than means minus 2. 2 less than twice the number of pants. How many pants? So pants is x. She is saying twice. Twice means 2. So 2x less than 2. So 2x minus 2. So another sentence she says that number of skirts, also number of skirts. Number of skirts is y, which is equal to 4 less. 4 less means minus 4. 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. Number of pants is x. 4 times means 4x. So these are the equations we get. So y is equal to 2x minus 2. Y is equal to 4x minus 4. So now we have to find the solution for this equation. The first equation is y is equal to 2x minus 2. For that, I am going to substitute x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, so substituting x is equal to 0, so y will be equal to 2 into 0 is 0. So 0 minus 2. So it is equal to minus 2. So next value I am going to take x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So the value is 2. Okay. So in the same way, for the next equation, y is equal to 4x minus 4. We have to frame the table. So here x is equal to 0. So first I am going to take x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 0 minus 4, which is equal to minus 4. So next I am going to take x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So we mark the values. Now we have to plot the graph. So let me go to the next page. So here y is equal to 2x minus 2 and y is equal to 4x minus 4. So let me write the values here. So for 0 we got minus 2, for 2 we got 2, and for this equation for 0 we got minus 4, and for this we got 1, 0. So now let us plot the points for the first equation. This 0 comma minus 2. So 0 is here, minus 2 will be here. So it is 0 comma minus 2. So next is 2 comma 2. So 2 positive is here and positive y2 is here. So it is 2 comma 2. Okay. So joining this, we will get a line. So this is the line. So this equation is y is equal to 2x minus 2. So next one, y is equal to 4x minus 4. We have to plot 0 comma minus 4. So 0 is here. So negative value for minus 4 is here. So it is 0 comma minus 4 and it is 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. So joining both the lines, both the points. So my line is not straight. So here it meets at 1 comma 0. Both the lines meet at 1 comma 0. So this equation is y is equal to 4x minus 4. So here if we check both the lines, it meets at the common point 1 comma 0. So a point Q. So let me mark the values. So this is A comma B, A and B, and this is P and this is Q. So both the lines meet at Q of 1 comma 0. So we have the solution. So solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means she did not buy any skirt. She bought only one pant. Okay. So I hope you can understand. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, just like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your support.